Hi, today's topic is magnetism. Electromagnetism is a force produced when an electrical current flows through a simple conductor, such as piece of wire or a cable. While magnets can be made from ferromagnetic materials, which attract and repel other materials, mainly metals. Magnetism is the force exerted by magnets as they attract or repel each other. A small magnetic fields is created around that conductor with the direction of the magnetic field with regards to its north and south poles being determined by the direction of the current flowing through the conductor. Magnetism plays an important role in electrical and electronic engineering because without it, components such as relays, solenoids, inductors, chokes, coils, loudspeakers, motors, generators, transformers, and electricity meters, etc., would not work if magnetism does not exist. Then every coil of a wire who uses the effect of electromagnetism when an electrical current flows through it. But before we can look at magnetism, especially electromagnetism in more detail, we need to remember that physics classes also tells us how magnets and magnetism work. Now we'll check about magnetism. Magnetic flux. All magnets, no matter what are the shape, have two regions called magnetic poles with the magnetism both in and around a magnetic circuit, producing a definite chain of organized and balanced pattern of invisible lines of flux around it. So these lines of flux are collectively referred to as magnetic field of a magnet. The shape of this magnetic field is more intense in some parts than others, with the area of the magnet that has the greatest magnetism being called poles. At each end of the magnet is a pole. So these lines of flux, called as vector field, cannot be seen by naked eye, but they can be seen visually by using iron filling sprinkled on a sheet of paper or using a small compass to trace them out. Magnetic poles are always present in pairs. There is always a region of magnet called North Pole and there is always an opposite region called as South Pole. So magnetic fields are always shown visually as lines of force that give a definite pole at each end of the material where the flux lines are more dense and concentrated. The lines which go to make up a magnetic field showing the direction and intensity are called lines of force or more commonly as called as magnetic flux by Greek symbol phi.